Whether you're setting up a new kitchen or upgrading your existing tools, a high-quality cooking utensil set can make all the difference in your culinary experience. In this guide, we've rounded up the 5 best cooking utensil sets that combine functionality, design, and value to suit every type of home cook, from beginners to seasoned chefs. Number 5, Aster Cook Kitchen Utensils Set, 39 PCS Silicone Cooking Utensils Set with Wooden Handle, 446 degrees Fahrenheit Heat-Resistant Food-Grade Utensil Sets, BPA-Free Kitchen Gadgets Tool Set for Non-Stick Cookware, Black. About this item: durable, heat-resistant, made from high-quality, food-grade silicone. This 39-piece utensil set can handle heat up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit without melting or warping. Perfect for all your cooking needs, from simmering to stir-frying. Sturdy, stylish, made with premium food-grade silicone and complemented by smooth wooden handles, each utensil blends strength and elegance for a comfortable grip and effortless control. Built to last, with easy-to-hang handles for convenient storage. Number 4, Silicone Cooking Utensils Set, 446 degrees Fahrenheit Heat-Resistant Kitchen Utensils, Turner Tongs, Spatula, Spoon, Brush, Whisk, Kitchen Utensil Gadgets Tool Set for Non-Stick Cookware, Dishwasher Safe, BPA-Free. About this item: food-grade safe silicone. Heat-resistant, non-melting, odorless, made of food-grade silicone, BPA-Free. Very safe to use in any type of food. The silicone cooking utensils can withstand temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, even if they are used in the high-temperature environment of frying. You don't have to worry that it will melt. This silicone cooking utensils does not react with food or beverages, will not retain odors or colors when you use it for stirring-based food products. Number 3, Silicone Cooking Utensils Kitchen Utensil Set, 446 degrees Fahrenheit Heat-Resistant Silicone Kitchen Utensil Set, Spatula, Turner Tongs, Spoon, Brush, Whisk, Kitchen Gadgets for Non-Stick Cookware, BPA-Free, Gray. About this item: heat-resistant and durable, our silicone kitchen utensils set is crafted from premium, food-grade silicone that can withstand temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're simmering delicate sauces or searing steaks at high heat, this cooking utensil set is built to handle it all. The high-quality silicone ensures long-lasting durability, making it a reliable addition to your kitchen for everyday cooking. Number 2, Wooden Spoons for Cooking, 10 PCS Wooden Cooking Utensil Set, Wooden Utensil Set for Non-Stick Pans Cookware, teak wood, sturdy, lightweight, heat-resistant. About this item: what's included? The only set that includes 10 cooking utensils that meet all your cooking needs. This includes flat frying spatula, wok spatula, slotted spatula, spaghetti pasta server, serving spoon, mixing spoon, soup ladle spoon, skimmer spoon, seasoning/oil spoon, and salad fork. Number 1, Umite Chef Kitchen Cooking Utensils Set, 33 PCS Non-Stick Silicone Cooking Kitchen Utensil Spatula Set with Holder, Wooden Handle Silicone Kitchen Gadgets Utensil Set, Khaki. About this item: food-grade silicone, made of food-grade silicone, BPA-Free, can use in any type of food. And it will probably last longer than the other plastic kitchen utensils. This silicone cooking utensils does not react with food or beverages. You don't have to worry about the health of your families will not retain odors or colors. Before the first use, the original smell will disappear after the silicone soaking in water and exposed it to the air for about 3 hours. No bend, no break, healthy for cookware. Our kitchen utensils are more sturdy than other usual wooden kitchen utensils, ensures daily use for a long time without being worn down. Designed not to bend, break, or rust.